Good morning. In this video, I am discussing the command line arguments. It is possible to pass some values from the command line to your C program when they are executed. These values are called command line arguments, and many times they are important for your program, specifically when you want to control your program from outside instead of hard coding those values inside the code. The command line arguments are handled using main functions, arguments that are argc and also argv, where argc refers to the number of arguments passed and argv array is a pointer array which points to each argument passed to the program. See this example. In this example, it checks if the argument is supplied or not. Hash include stdio.h, int main int argc, cache star argv. These two are the command line parameters. If argc equals to 2, the argument is supplied. Else if argc is greater than 2, too many arguments supplied. Else one argument expected. Understood? Okay, sure. Now, when the above code is compiled and executed with a single argument, it produces the following result. That means this is the Linux command, this is the Linux or Unix, whatever this one. Okay, execution .out testing. That means only one argument is supplied. That means argument supplied is testing. See here, argument supplied is testing. That means when the above code is compiled and executed with 2 arguments, it produces the following result. Okay. Now, out testing 1 and testing 2. Too many arguments supplied. Too many arguments are supplied. When the above code is compiled and executed without passing any argument, it is given that one argument is expected. One argument is expected. It should be noted that argv0 holds the name of the program itself. So that one only. Now, when you observe this one, .out testing, the argument supplied is testing. That means argument. That means it is the 2 argv. argv0 contains the program name. That means 2 arguments. The argument supplied is testing. And also testing 1 and testing 2. It is exactly 2 arguments, but exactly the program name is there. For that one, too many arguments are supplied. There is no arguments, one argument is expected. Understood? Now, it should be noted that argv0 holds the name of the program itself, and argv1 is a pointer to the first command line argument supplied, and star argvn is the last argument. Understood? If no arguments are supplied, argc will be 1. Otherwise, and if you pass one argument, then argc is set at 2. You pass all the command line arguments separated by space, but if the argument itself has a space, then you can pass such arguments by putting them inside double quotes or single quotes. Let us rewrite the previous program once again compile. Same program, okay. Now, see here, when the above code is compiled and executed with a single quote, single argument separated by space, but inside double quotes, it produces the following result. Testing 1 and testing 2. Program name, the program supplied is testing 1 and testing 2. Supplied is the testing 1 and testing 2. Understood? Thank you and goodbye.